81. Okay, who has another strategy? What if a teacher said, show your work? He did it in his head. I like that. He did it in his head, came up with the answer. But what if a teacher said, okay, it's on paper, show me your work? How would you do that? Show me your work. Caden, what would you do? Restacking. I'm going to slide the board over and slide my marker over, and I'm going to let you restack. Okay. While he is doing that, I want you to turn to your neighbor and I want you to tell them what is an important rule that he needs to make sure he is doing while he is restacking. She can join us. Go ahead and you can solve it. And slide it back. All right, share back. Now, he got 81, which is what Jaden said earlier, so that's good that they both got the same answer. What was something important that you said? I heard people saying, I hope he remembers to do this, because it's very important when we do restack. It's very important to do this. McKenna? Okay, it has to be in the right order, exactly. We can't switch the order, okay? We can't stack them up and down, can we, Jose? Good, we learned that yesterday. Good. So if 61 is going across, then we have to make sure 61 is going across. Just like we read across, we're going to read those numbers going across. Tell me another very important rule. Jacob?
Do the ones place first.
Okay, I'm going to do that with my red marker. Okay, and Caden, when we solve it, we need to make sure we do this side first, okay? That's one thing our second grade teacher friends have said. First grade teachers, try to get them to do the ones place first. Yeah. And I know it's tricky because we're so used to solving from the left to the right, but when we do this, we're trying to solve ones place first. Okay, and yeah, it does. It will do that on the computer too. You're right. So we're going to try to focus on doing the ones place first and then solving the tens place. Got to put that in your brain. It's hard to remember, but we'll keep practicing that way. What else is a good rule when you're restacking and you're writing your own problems? Aiden.
You could use bones and cubes.
Okay, that's another strategy. What was something he needed to be real careful of when he was restacking?
He needed to be careful of if he like put the 2 right there and put the 0 right there, it wouldn't have worked.
So you got to make sure they are lined up. The ones place needs to be right under the ones. The tens place needs to be right under the tens. Okay? Awesome work. Turn to your neighbor and tell your neighbor how awesome they did just then. Okay, good thinking going on. Ultimate thinking.